Hello, I'm Sarah Rickard, the Children's Librarian at the Newton Public Library, and I'm here with another edition of DIY Storytime. So we have bags available for December, and this month we're going to feature a book called The Biggest Snowman Ever. And along with the book you get a sheet that has a number of different activities you can do with your preschooler, all of which are best catered to ages 2 through 5. So the book itself is a nice little story about building a snowman. It's about cooperation and sort of the delights of winter play. It's kind of text heavy, so always feel free to, if your kid starts to lose interest, just focus on the pictures and talk about what's going on in the pictures. But one thing that's really good to do with children of this age is to sing with them. And a fun thing you can do is take familiar tunes and trade out different lyrics. So we have a couple of examples of that in our activities for this month. So the first one, our opening song, is I'm a Friendly Snowman, which is sung to I'm a Little Teapot, and I can demonstrate a little bit how that looks. Doing the actions is really good too. Children enjoy the actions, and somehow like the muscle memory helps them remember the words as well. So it goes, I'm a friendly snowman, big and fat. Here is my tummy and here is my hat. I'm a happy fellow, here's my nose. I'm all snow from my head to my toes, and it goes on from there. And in addition to that, we have an action rhyme called the Snowman. And it goes like this. Roll this, I'm going to put my paper here. I have trouble remembering these without looking, but your child will probably remember after a few repetitions. So roll the snow into some balls, make a snowman oh so tall. Place a hat upon his head, give him buttons that are red. Use some coal to make his eyes, you can do it if you try, and it goes on from there. All right, and then as usual, I provide kind of what would normally be a flannel board activity if it were a regular story time, but these are magnetized snowflakes that you can just put on the a cookie sheet if you have one, or the refrigerator or something along those lines. And this is just a real easy and fun way for small children to practice counting. So it goes like this. One little snowflake with nothing to do. Along came another, and then there were two. Two little snowflakes laughing with me. Along came another, and then there were three. And it goes on there until there are 5 snowflakes. And of course, there's different ways you can play with these, like hand them all to your child and say, show me 1, show me 2, and they can put up the number of snowflakes. And then when you're done with them, you can just rip off the magnets and glue them to your windows or something like that. And then finally, we have another song, and again, it's a familiar tune with different words, and it's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So it's snowflakes, snowflakes dance around, snowflakes, snowflakes touch the ground, snowflakes, snowflakes in the air, snowflakes, snowflakes everywhere, and it goes on from there. And finally, since crafts are always fun with small children, we have a few different options. There's snowflakes you can color and cut out. There's kind of a template, a snowman template, so they can decorate their own snowman. There's some stickers for hats and mittens. You'll find all of those in your plastic bag somewhere. And then finally, there's something a little more complicated, but it's a little snowman you can make out of popsicle sticks. Easy to do, and it's cute. So I hope you enjoy December's DIY Storytime bag, and we hope you have very happy holidays.